We decided we're going to be ready to show up. Anyway, we're going to do 2 million balance within the next 5 minutes. Which, in other words,
yeah, don't take it. I'll tell you what, it's a hell of a thing. This one's 141, and you can add about 9,000 for the carbon fiber.
$500 certificate sitting here. Thank you.
E21 320.
This time we're going to do something a little
2002.
different, something special. Robert down there, the photographer who's been really doing a fantastic job of shooting everybody's cars.
Dining 335i.
We're going to take some special shots.
M6.
He's up on the balcony of Saks Fifth Avenue. If everybody kind of hang in the air, I think the Shriners, Susan was just here and they were trying to do a little bit of a shot also. And again, probably just need to remind people who are leaving, rain is just water. It's no big deal. Doesn't hurt the thing. But they may want to set up another shot based upon what Susan was just saying for Shriners for their own people.
I think that's a 330. Yeah, not an M3. Oh well. This is cool. Hella clean inside.
We've got tire strips on the end of the lot here, so. Yeah, and I don't think the weather is going to be really
3.0
probably an issue based on the weather things. We're just getting the outskirts of this little system.
Whoa.
Yeah, Robert's going to shine down everybody in the lot here. He's just moving it over.
Alex, come on!
Tell you that?